Sometimes we complicate things. I have to, be perfect muna to come to God. Hindi dumating ang Panginoon para sa mga perpekto, ngunit para sa mga makasalanan na katulad natin. And this is not an accident that you are here today. Some of you are so tired. Kanina umaga po, yung husband ko na-discover niya sa room namin na may mangga. Sa fruit basket na binigay po sa amin ng aming welcome team. Sabi ko, ayoko tikman kasi baka ma-disappoint ako, masarap ang mangga sa Pilipinas. But you know what? Tinikman ko po. Di siya kapareho nung sa Pilipinas. Pero masarap siya. Sometimes we're like that. We're so scared to decide to try something new. We've tried so many things to satisfy our souls, our hearts. Pumunta na siguro tayo sa jowa, sa alak, party, kung ano-ano pa to make us feel like whole. Pero today, I want to invite you. Try mo si Lord. Hindi siya katulad ng old ways natin. Pero pambihira. Apakagaling niya. This next song that I'm about to sing is about finding that person who will love you for the rest of your life. I wrote this song for my husband who is also here today. Palakpakan po natin. Salamat po. +1 ang aking asawa. Miss na po ako niyan because I've been traveling. Thank you for my PMCC family for let him accompany me in this trip. Mas marami pa pong araw na ako yung nagtatrabaho kaysa magkasama kami. So it's a joy that he's with me today in this trip. But this song is also finding your place in the world, finding your place and your purpose.